You look around and it feels like everyone's ahead. They're buying homes, going on trips, investing thousands, and you're just trying to keep up. But here's what no one tells you. Feeling behind doesn't mean you're failing. Most people, even the ones who seem successful, feel like they're not doing enough. Why? Because we're comparing ourselves to pictures. You see their wins, not their worries, only the good sides of their lives. You don't see their debt, their privileges, or their struggles. So instead of thinking, I'm late, ask yourself, where am I now? Then do these tips to feel in control again. 1. Write down your monthly income and expenses, even roughly. Getting it out of your head reduces anxiety and gives you clarity. 2. Set a micro goal, like save $5 this week or track every dollar I spend for 2 days. Progress builds confidence, not perfection. 3. Make a past wins list. Remind yourself of what you've already bought and did. This helps reframe your mindset. 4. Block financial noise. Follow voices that educate, not pressure. Real financial progress doesn't start with a raise. It starts with a mindset shift. You're building on your timeline with your values. And that's real success.